Hello students, today we have to start a new topic, area related to circles. ठीक है, firstly in previous classes up to now we have discussed only direct area and circumference of the circle, but now in this chapter we will learn how to find the area which is related to the circle. Directly it is not of the circle, it is of some part of the circle. Okay, that are sectors and segments that we have discussed in chapter 10. Now we have to learn how to find the area of such parts. Okay, so today we will start exercise 12.1. First exercise we will start. First question देखो, the ratio of the two circles are 19 and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. So firstly we have to read and understand the statement. देखो question है क्या, radius of two circle is given that are 19 and 9. We have to tell the radius of such a circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of the circumferences of these two circles. ठीक है, तो some students can they can think and that how we have to do this. Firstly they will think we have to find the circumference of the two circles whose radius is given by one by one, and then we have to add that to get the circumference of the bigger circle that will be made on joining the two circles, and then we have to find the radius. ठीक है, but that method is also okay, but that is very much lengthy है ना, time consuming है ज़्यादा, and suppose if this question is coming in 2 marks, then that is not a proper way to do that sum. ठीक है, 2 marks में इतना लेंथी सम if we will do, तो that is not helpful for us. So see how we have to do proper way of this question is because this type of question can come in MCQ form also. In half or 1 mark MCQ form also this type of question can come. So देख लो proper way क्या है. We will write radius of first circle is 19 centimeter. Radius of second circle 9 centimeter. Let radius of the bigger circle is R सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, मान लो हमने बड़े सर्कल की रेडियस क्या मान ली बेटा, R सेंटीमीटर. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन देखो व्हाट इज गिवन 2 पाई R1. सर्कमफ्रेंस का फॉर्मूला व्हाट इज द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल 2 पाई R. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट सर्कल की होगी 2 पाई R1 प्लस 2 पाई R2 दैट इज इक्वल टू द बिगर सर्कल 2 पाई R. क्लियर. नाउ 2 पाई वी विल टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम R1 प्लस R2. 2 पाई कॉमन आ गया is equal to as it is 2 pi R. 2 pi and 2 pi will cancel with each other. So R value what we will get R1 plus R2. So this result we have to remember also. Suppose this question is coming in MCQ form along 1 mark में question आ गया, तो then we will not do this full solution, and that is also not required. MCQ है तो only answer we need. ठीक है, we need to only choose correct option. So then you should know this result, that whenever this type of question is coming, that circumference of the sum of the circumference of two circle is equal to the third, then in this type of questions we have to just add the radius whose two circles radius are given. So see here 19 and 9 28. So directly we can also tell अगर MCQ form में आ गया. Now if I ask you one more example कि one radius is 10 other is 15, so what will be the radius of the bigger circle that will be made on joining these two circles, circumference. ठीक है, तो that will be 25. Directly we know 10 plus 15 25 आ जाएगा. क्लियर बेटा. ठीक है जी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, द डायमीटर ऑफ द व्हील ऑफ ए कार इज 80 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, तो वी हैव टू टेल हाउ मेनी रिवोल्यूशंस द व्हील विल मेक इन 10 मिनट्स इफ ट्रैवलिंग एट द स्पीड ऑफ 66 किलोमीटर पर आवर. 66 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ठीक है, स्पीड है 66 किलोमीटर पर आवर. इन 10 मिनट्स हाउ मच रिवोल्यूशंस इट विल बी. तो फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू फर्स्टली अंडरस्टैंड दैट इन वन रिवोल्यूशन द व्हील इज कवरिंग डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू इट्स सर्कमफ्रेंस. बिकॉज सिंपल सी चीज़ है, देखो सर्कमफ्रेंस का मतलब क्या है, सर्कमफ्रेंस मीन्स पेरीमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल एंड पेरीमीटर द मीन्स लेंथ ऑफ द बाउंड्री. तो दैट मीन्स इन वन रिवोल्यूशन द सर्कल विल कवर distance equal to its boundary या perimeter या circumference we can say. तो firstly we need circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi R. तो firstly we will find R ना, diameter का half कर देंगे, radius आ गई. Then we will find circumference 2 pi R पुट करके वैल्यू सर्कमफ्रेंस आ गई 1760/7. नाउ we will firstly find how much distance the wheel will travel in 10 minutes traveling at the speed of 66 km per hour. The distance formula is speed into time. Speed is 66, time is 10 minute. But unit are not same. Speed kilometer per hour में given है, timing minute में given है. So which is easy to convert to make them same. Time is given in minutes, that is easy to convert in hours. Because we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So minutes को hours में change करना, direct only divide by 60 and it will be converted into hours. तो देखो 10/60 we will take, 10 मिनट को 60 से डिवाइड कर दिया, hours बन गए. Now speed into time करके solve कर दिया, we have got 11 kilometer distance it has to cover. So now again unit are not same, circumference is in centimeter and this distance is in kilometer. So again we will change kilometer to centimeter. Firstly kilometer we will convert in meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, so multiply by 1000. Then in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters, so multiply by 100. Convert हो गया centimeter में. Now just to find the number of revolutions, what we have to do, distance traveled we have to divide by the circumference. How much distance the wheel has to travel, total distance कितना travel करना है, we have to divide by the circumference. ठीक है, divide कर देंगे and we will get 4375 revolutions wheel has to make. ठीक है, to cover this much distance at the given speed. Clear बेटा? Easy है questions. Try to do this exercise. Question number 1 to question number 5. ठीक है? And if there is any problem then ask me. Thank you.